Did you know that if you have health insurance in the US, you can likely get a breast pump at zero cost? No copay, no deductible, no out-of-pocket expense whatsoever. Thanks to the Affordable Care Act, most health plans are required to cover one as preventive care. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to claim yours, step by step, and share which pumps are insurance eligible, including some hands-free wearable options that are worth knowing about. Let's cover what you need to know. Under the Affordable Care Act, most U.S. health plans, including marketplace plans, employer-sponsored plans, CHIP, and TRICARE, are required to cover a breast pump as preventive care. That means zero cost sharing for a standard model. No copay, no deductible, nothing out of pocket. The important exception is grandfathered plans, policies that haven't significantly changed since before March 2010. About 20% of employers still use these, and they're not required to follow ACA rules. So the first thing to do is confirm your coverage. Step 1. Call your insurance. Grab the member services number from the back of your insurance card and give them a call. Ask specifically, is a breast pump covered under my plan? What types are covered? Manual, standard electric, or wearable? Do I need a prescription? And which DME suppliers are in-network? Getting clear answers up front saves you time and prevents surprises later. Step 2. Get a prescription. Most plans require a prescription, even for a preventive benefit. Your OB/GYN, midwife, or primary care provider can write one at a regular prenatal appointment. Keep the wording general. Ask for a standard electric breast pump rather than a specific brand, so you're not restricted if your insurer has exact requirements. Step 3. Choose an in-network DME supplier. Your insurer will provide a list of approved durable medical equipment suppliers. Well-known national options include Aeroflow, Edgepark, One Natural Way, and Babylist Health. Your DME handles everything: verifying your benefits, collecting the prescription from your doctor, filing the insurance claim, and shipping the pump directly to your home. Step 4. Pick your pump and understand any upgrade costs. Standard double electric pumps are typically covered at no cost. If you want a hands-free wearable model, you may pay an upgrade fee, but that upgrade is usually HSA and FSA eligible. So if you have either of those accounts, you can cover the difference without spending new out-of-pocket money. When it comes to insurance-eligible wearable pumps, eufy has a few options worth considering. The S1 Pro delivers hospital-grade suction up to 300 millimeters of mercury and heat flow, warming across 7 adjustable temperature levels, ranging from 95 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which can help with letdown and reduce the risk of clogged ducts. It operates at under 46 decibels, quiet enough for office use, and the magnetic charging case supports up to 5 days of battery life per charge. The S1 is a solid everyday option with the same heat flow technology. Many eufy moms report up to 30% more milk output when using the heat feature, and its built-in battery covers 4 to 6 sessions per charge. If you want a slightly more accessible option, the E20 also features hospital-grade 300 millimeters of mercury suction and heat flow warmth across 3 temperature settings, with about 6 pumping sessions per charge. eufy also offers an insurance checker tool on its website. Enter your insurance provider and location, and it shows you exactly what's covered and what any upgrade would cost before you commit to anything. Step 5. Submit your paperwork and wait. Once you've chosen a supplier and a pump, send over your prescription, insurance details, and any forms the DME requires. Most plans ship within about 30 days of your due date. Start this process in your 3rd trimester so you're not caught short-handed when your baby arrives. A few things worth knowing. First, most insurance plans cover one breast pump per pregnancy, so even if you received one during a previous pregnancy under the same plan, you may qualify again. Second, if your claim is denied, don't give up. Under the ACA, you have the right to file an internal appeal through your insurer, and if that doesn't resolve it, you can request an external review by an independent third party. Many denials are overturned, and if your plan doesn't cover breast pumps at all, check with your local WIC office. They frequently provide free or loaned pumps for eligible moms, especially for medical need or premature births. If this helped you navigate the process, hit like and subscribe for more guides from eufy tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one. When's the best time to start the breast pump insurance process? Start in your 3rd trimester. Most plans hold shipment until you're within about 30 days of your due date. Filing early means no last-minute scramble. Do I need a prescription to get a breast pump through insurance, most plans require one. Your OB/GYN or midwife can write it at a regular prenatal visit. Keep it general. Ask for a standard electric breast pump to stay flexible. What if the wearable pump I want has an upgrade cost? You can use HSA or FSA funds to cover upgrade fees, so you may not be spending truly new money. Eufy's insurance checker shows the exact cost before you order.